Hello, and welcome to a series of video guides on how to use the poddle system, with the aim of keeping your customers and making more money. Our first video in this series will be an introduction to the business profile. To access your business profile at any time, just go to the Poddle Control Center and log in with the details that you've already set up. Now, back to the business profile. A compelling business profile on Poddle will tell your customers everything they need to know about you. You have the opportunity to add your business name, email address, contact number, address, opening hours, website, and social media links. All of this information is then presented to customers in a concise and easy to understand way on the Poddle app. Our support team will have filled out a lot of this information for you already, using publicly available websites such as your own website, social media pages, or Google Business Profile. Your task is to now log into the control center and make any changes you need to. And then, when you're happy, let your account manager know so they can make your profile live. First, we will start with the online presence section. Again, if you have a website or social media pages, these sections should have already been filled in for you. However, in the case that these are not, or you would like to change your links, simply follow these steps. Open your website in your preferred web browser, whilst having the control center open in another tab. Copy the website's URL from the navigation bar at the top of your screen. And finally, paste this URL into the box next to website, underneath online presence. This process is exactly the same for Facebook and Instagram. Just copy and paste the URL into the respective boxes. Next, we move on to the business categories and subcategories. This pre-populated field allows you to select up to 2 categories that best represent your business. Users who are interested specifically in this type of business will be able to click on this section and easily find you. Once you have selected the categories you want your business to appear under, click on the drop-down and choose the subcategories which are relevant. You can choose up to 6 subcategories per category. And finally, we move on to keywords. Keywords allow you to explain in a bit more detail what your business does. If a customer searches for one of these keywords, then your business will come up. This section won't be fully pre-populated, giving you the freedom to decide what your keyword should be. Here you can see we've set up an example set of keywords for this business, Rosh's Corner Shop. In practice, your keywords will vary depending on the type of business and what you offer. If you're struggling to think of keywords for your business, then please contact your account manager. So that brings an end to our first tutorial video. Thank you for taking the time to listen, and hopefully you've learned about how to fill in your business profile. As always, if there are any questions, please contact support or your account manager. Thank you.